customer basis that has been built up in the past decades.
Well, the V-Strom, it's a great looking bike. Please tell me a little bit about the concept.
2025 Suzuki V-Strom 650 XT specifications. Engine type, liquid-cooled, for stroke, DOHC, V-twin. Displacement, 645 cubic centimeters. Maximum power, approximately 69 horsepower, 51 kilowatts, at 8,800 RPM. Maximum torque, 62 Newton meters, 45.7 pound-foot, at 6,500 RPM. Top speed, 120 miles per hour, 193 kilometers per hour. Bore X stroke, 81.0 mm x 62.6 mm. Compression ratio, 11.5 to 1. Fuel system, Suzuki Fuel Injection, SDTV. Ignition system, digital electronic ignition. Transmission, 6-speed constant mesh. Final drive, chain. Fuel tank capacity, 20 liters. Estimated price, $8,999. Here are the detailed specifications for the 2025 Suzuki Burgman 400. Engine type, liquid-cooled, for stroke, single-cylinder. Displacement, 400 cubic centimeters. Bore X stroke, 88.0 mm x 62.6 mm. Compression ratio, 11.2 to 1. Fuel system, electronic fuel injection, EFI. Ignition system, digital electronic ignition. Transmission, continuously variable transmission, CVT. Maximum power, 32.0 kilowatts, 43.0 horsepower, at 6,500 RPM. Maximum torque, 38.0 Newton meters, 28.0 pound-foot, at 5,000 RPM. Top speed, approximately 160 kilometers per hour to 99 miles per hour. Fuel tank capacity, 13.5 liters, 3.6 gallons. Wheelbase, 1,590 millimeters, 62.6 in. Seat height, 755 millimeters, 29.7 in. Safety features, anti-lock braking system, ABS, traction control, electronic stability control. Lighting, LED headlights, LED taillights, and LED turn signals. The manufacturer's suggested retail price, MSRP, for the 2025 Suzuki Burgman 400 is approximately $7,499. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2024 Suzuki GSX-8S lies a high-performance engine that will undoubtedly exhilarate riders with its raw power and efficiency. While specific details about the engine remain tightly guarded by Suzuki, enthusiasts can expect a robust power plant equipped with the latest technology to optimize performance and fuel economy. Rumors suggest that the GSX-8S will be powered by an inline-4 engine, a configuration famous for its smooth power delivery and thrilling acceleration. With advanced engineering and tuning, it is projected to produce more horsepower and torque than its predecessors, enabling riders to experience blistering acceleration and thrilling top speeds. Chassis and handling. Suzuki has consistently been praised for its attention to detail when it comes to handling, and the GSX-8S is no exception. The motorcycle's chassis is expected to be a blend of lightweight materials, designed to ensure nimble and responsive handling without compromising on stability. Equipped with top-of-the-line suspension components and braking systems, the GSX-8S will offer precise control over a wide range of road conditions. Riders will be able to effortlessly switch between aggressive riding on the track to smooth cruising on city streets. The Suzuki Intruder 150, also known as the C1500BT, has several key specifications that make it a notable cruiser bike. Here are the detailed specifications. Engine and performance. Engine displacement, 1,549 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, air-cooled. Max power, 14.8 PS at 8,000 RPM. Max torque, 14 Newton meters at 6,000 RPM. Fuel delivery system, carburetor. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Dimensions and weight. Curb weight, 148 kilograms. Length, 2,130 millimeters. Width, 805 millimeters. Height, 1,095 millimeters. Wheelbase, 1,405 millimeters. Ground clearance, 170 millimeters. Seat height, 740 millimeters. 2025 Suzuki Burgman 650 engine specifications. Displacement, 638 cubic centimeters. Engine type, 2-cylinder, 4-stroke, liquid-cooled, DOC. Bore X-stroke, 77.5 mm x 71.3 mm. Compression ratio, 11.2 to 1. Fuel system, fuel injection. Starter, electric. Lubrication, wet sump. Maximum power, 54 brake horsepower at 7,000 RPM. Maximum torque, 61.78 Nm at 5,000 RPM. (2025) Suzuki Burgman 650 transmission and drive. Transmission type, CVT, continuously variable transmission. Final drive, belt drive. Chassis and suspension. Front suspension, telescopic fork. Rear suspension, swing arm, dual shock, coil spring, oil damped. Wheelbase, 1,585 mm. Ground clearance, 125 mm. (2025) Suzuki Burgman 650 dimensions. Length, 2,265 mm. Width, 810 mm. Height, 1,420 mm. Curb weight, 275 kilograms. 2025 Suzuki Boulevard M109R engine performance. At the heart of the M109R is a massive 1,783 cubic centimeters, 54-degree V-twin engine. This 8-valve, DOHC engine is designed to deliver a massive tractable power and responsive torque. The engine features large 4.4-inch forged aluminum alloy pistons, which are some of the largest reciprocating gasoline engine pistons in any production vehicle or motorcycle. Each cylinder is lined with Suzuki's race-proven Suzuki Composite Electrochemical Material, SCEM, for optimum heat transfer, tighter piston-to-cylinder clearances, and reduced weight. The engine is paired with a semi-dry sump lubrication system, known as Suzuki Advanced Sump System, SAS, which reduces engine height, lowers the crankshaft position, and lowers the center of gravity. The Suzuki Dual Throttle Valve, SDTV, system with 56mm throttle bodies ensures smooth low to mid-range throttle response, making the ride both comfortable and exhilarating. Engine, liquid-cooled, 999 cubic centimeters inline 4-cylinder. Power, 150 horsepower at 11,000 RPM. Torque, 78 pound-foot at 9,250 RPM. Transmission, 6-speed. Fuel tank capacity, 19 liters. Max speed, 280 kilometers per hour. Average consumption, approximately 19.8 kilometers per liter. At the heart of the 2024 Hayabusa lies a powerful 1,340 cubic centimeters, 4-cylinder, DOHC engine. This legendary engine is fed by ride-by-wire electronic throttle bodies with dual-fuel injectors, mixing with pressurized air from the Suzuki Ram Air Direct, SRAD, intakes. The symmetrical twin silencer exhaust system is lighter and offers better flow, producing a stimulating exhaust note. Engine and performance. The heart of the Suzuki GSX-S1000 is its liquid-cooled, 999 cubic centimeters inline four-cylinder engine. This powerplant has been a cornerstone of the GSX-S1000's performance, delivering 152 horsepower at 11,000 RPM and 11.0 kgf.m of torque at 9,500 RPM. The engine's design is rooted in Suzuki's extensive experience with the GSX-R1000, incorporating advanced technologies developed for MotoGP racing. This ensures a wide and smooth torque curve, making the bike both exhilarating and manageable for everyday riding. Engine type: 999.8 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, inline-4, DOHC. Bore X-stroke: 76.0 mm x 55.1 mm. Compression ratio: 12.9:1. Fuel system: electronic fuel injection (EFI) with dual throttle valve (SDTV). Cooling system: liquid-cooled with advanced radiator and oil cooler. Power output: 199 horsepower, 147 kilowatts at 13,000 RPM. Torque: 118 Nm at 10,000 RPM. Transmission: 6-speed constant mesh with quick shifter. Fuel tank capacity: 16 liters. Engine and performance. At the heart of the GSX-S1000 GX is a 999 cubic centimeters four-stroke, liquid-cooled, DOHC inline-4 engine. This engine is a descendant of Suzuki's renowned superbike engines, known for their winning performance and reliability. The engine produces 150 horsepower at 11,000 RPM and 106 Nm of torque at 9,250 RPM. Providing a broad and smooth torque curve that enhances the riding experience across various riding conditions. Advanced electronic suspension. One of the standout features of the GSX-S1000 GX is its advanced electronic suspension system. The Suzuki Advanced Electronic Suspension (SAS) offers a wide range of settings, from aggressive sport riding to long-distance touring. The system features a long 150 mm front fork stroke and 150 mm of rear wheel travel, providing greater comfort and the ability to absorb larger bumps when riding over uneven surfaces. Engine type: four-stroke, 2-cylinder, liquid-cooled, DOHC, 90-degree V-twin. Bore time stroke: 81.0 mm x 62.6 mm. Displacement: 645 cubic centimeters. Compression ratio: 11.2:1. Fuel system: fuel injection. Starter system: electric. Lubrication system: wet sump. Overall length: 2,275 mm. Overall width: 910 mm. Overall width: 835 mm. Overall height: 1,405 mm. Wheelbase: 1,560 mm. Ground clearance: 170 mm. Seat height: 835 mm. Curb mass: 216 kilograms. Curb mass: 213 kilograms. Transmission: 6-speed constant mesh. Front suspension: telescopic, coil spring, oil damped. Rear suspension: link type, coil spring, oil damped, spring preload adjustable. Fuel tank capacity: 20 liters. The 2025 Suzuki V-Strom 800 Touring is powered by the same 776 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine found in its predecessors. This DOHC engine features a 270-degree crankshaft, providing smooth and controllable power at low engine speeds. The engine is paired with a bidirectional quickshifter and Suzuki's clutch assist system (SCAS), ensuring seamless shifting and reduced rider fatigue. Engine type: 776 cubic centimeters parallel twin, DOC. Firing order, 270 degree. Cross balancer system, equipped for smooth operation. Fuel system, fuel injection. Clutch, wet, multiplate type. Transmission, 6-speed constant mesh. Final drive, O-ring style chain. Engine, 800 cubic centimeters inline 4. Power output, approximately 110 horsepower. Torque, 75 pound-foot. Transmission, 6-speed sequential. Fuel system, electronic fuel injection, EFI. Chassis, aluminum frame. Suspension, front inverted telescopic fork, adjustable. Suspension, rear link type monoshock, adjustable. Brakes, front dual 320mm disc brakes with radial calipers. Brakes, rear 240mm disc brake. Tires, front 120/70 ZR17. Tires, rear 190/55 ZR17. Seat height, approximately 31.5 inches. Wheelbase, 56.7 inches. Weight, around 450 pounds, wet. Fuel capacity, 4.5 gallons. Electronics, traction control, TFT display, ride modes, ABS. Producing a measured 69.3 horsepower at 8,530 RPM meant it produced more peak horsepower than its 2024 rivals, but today, peak horsepower figures for middleweights is up in the 70 to 80 range. We are looking at Trident 660, CB650R, and Tuono 660. Engine displacement, approximately 800 cubic centimeters. Type, likely a liquid-cooled, 4-stroke, single-cylinder engine. Power, expected to deliver robust mid-range torque and horsepower suitable for off-road and on-road adventures. Fuel system, fuel injection for precise throttle response and fuel efficiency. Transmission, 6-speed gearbox for versatile performance across various terrains. Chassis and suspension. Frame, high-strength steel or aluminum frame for durability and rigidity. Suspension, long-travel suspension with adjustable preload and damping, optimized for off-road use. Brakes, likely equipped with a combination of disc brakes with ABS for reliable stopping power in all conditions.